Okay, so here's your latest update on the Gilbert Arenas versus the beautiful Laura Govan battle that's been going on. Jesus. So the good people at the Jasmine brand, my favorite blog, posted an article on June 5th of 2017 titled Exclusive. See, fine ass Jasmine brand gets exclusives because she's a real blogger. Unlike Me Magazine, I'm merely an asshole with a microphone, so bear with me, my Jesus. It's titled Exclusive. Gilbert Arenas drops STD legal battle with Laura Govan's lawyer. Continuing lawsuit against reality star. That's for you, Gilbert Arenas. You ain't shit. You need to drop the lawsuit against your fine ass baby mama. Excuse me, mother of your 4 children. This nigga was off the chain. I wish I could talk with this dude one-on-one. I would give him peace of my mind. I'd be like, Gilbert, you need to stop. Okay? But anyways, but in a nice way, not like on some, rah-rah shit. But anyways, here's what Jasmine Brand wrote. TheJasmineBrand.com exclusively reports Gilbert Arenas has dropped his legal battle with Laura Govan's lawyer, in which he accused her of defaming his good name. I'm sorry, y'all. Anyways, the shit he says and does, in which he accused her of defaming his good name by spreading lies about him having an STD. Here's the latest. On May 22nd, the former NBA star headed to court and filed docs in the case explaining he is dropping all claims against his baby mama ex-fiance's lawyer, Maya Schulman. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Arenas filed a request for dismissal of all claims against Maya Schulman without the option of refiling at a later time. However, his legal battle with the reality star will continue on despite her not attending recent court hearings and being sanctioned by the judge. Here's the backstory. Arenas sued his Laura and her attorney. Okay, interesting. Okay. See how I keep finding articles of typos? Well, listen, I'm not saying that Jasmine Brand would ever be wrong about anything. She's too fine. But anyways, Arenas sued his Laura and his attorney, Maya Schulman, accusing them of defamation. Arenas explained Schulman wrote a blog about the never-ending battle between her client and Arenas. In it, she claimed Govan was, quote, stating a fact when she had publicly accused Arenas of giving her an STD. However, 2 weeks later, she issued a retraction. Arenas was awarded a $110,000 judgment in a separate lawsuit against Govan over the STD allegation. Schulman later responded to Arenas saying her statements were true or substantially true and therefore demanded his case be thrown out. She described Arenas as a convicted felon who was suspended by the NBA. The lawyer said Arenas had resorted to a public campaign against her and Govan by disseminating slanderous allegations through social media and the press in an attempt to harm and ridicule them both. Thank you very much, Jasmine Brand, with your awesome self. Always on point with your incredible articles. Let me tell you something right now, Jesus. Man, Laura Govan's fine as hell. There's no reason for such a pretty lady to have to go through this. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, that there truly is some sort of a war on pretty. It's really sick and it's wrong. And I just hate it. It's just not fair. It's not right. That Laura Govan would ever have to go through all this foolishness. A pretty lady like her, she should never be sued by anybody. Well, unless she's being sued for slaying people with her fine self. A beautiful woman like her, in my world, she can do no wrong. She could have said all those things about me and much worse, and I was just taking it laying down because it's Laura Govan. But anyways, this is all my opinion. I'm an unapologetic simp and a huge Laura Govan fan. So of course I'm going to say that. I just think that she's just too pretty for all this. But anyway, this is all my opinion. What do I know? I'm just a Laura Govan fan with a microphone. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, man. I just hope that at some point he ends up forgiving the mother of his children, Gilbert Grape, and moving on from the foolishness and stop being so damn petty. I mean, this dude is like Mario Andretti. He has his foot firmly pressed on the gas petty pedal, and he's just going, he goes from 0 to 100 and petty real quick. It's just really crazy. He's. Anyways, I was about to say something to get myself in legal trouble. I was really about to say something. It was really funny, but I can't say it. If you want to know what I was going to say, I'll tell you in the comments, and we'll see whether or not I should have included it in the video. But for legal reasons, I ain't going to say it here. Anyways, let me know what y'all think about it all below. Be sure to subscribe to the Meat Magazine YouTube channels. Visit meatmagazine.blogspot.com for more. Follow me on Twitter at Meat Magazine, Meat Magazine 7 on Google+, Meat Magazine blog and Instagram. Be sure to hit that notification button. It's right next to the subscribe button. It looks like a bell. Shit. Wish it looked like fine ass Lord Govan, but it looks like a bell. Once you click that button, you'll be sent alerts to be notified when new videos get posted. Jesus.